Assalamu alaikum from the Sisters of Pristine Message. As we mentioned in previous videos, an important part about doing ibadah or worship in Ramadan is doing it regularly and building habits we can continue for the rest of the year. An important habit to build is praying the Sunnah prayers for each of the 5 daily prayers every day. The Prophet ﷺ is reported to have said, Allah will build a house in heaven for whoever is diligent in observing 12 Sunnah rakat as follows: 4 rakats before and 2 after the Dhuhr prayer, 2 after the Maghrib prayer, 2 after the Isha prayer, and 2 before Fajr. Reported by At-Tirmidhi. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ also said, "May Allah have mercy on one who prays 4 rakats before the Asr prayer." Also narrated by At-Tirmidhi. Whenever we are faced with adversity in this life, it is important to remember that this life is just a test and that paradise lies in the hereafter. As Muslims, we know we must work for our place in Jannah and secure our spot by doing good deeds and by following Allah's commands. An easy way to build our place in the afterlife is by praying the Sunnah prayers, and as we strive to build this habit, it's useful to keep track of which prayers we have prayed. On that note, let's start making the Sunnah prayer tracker. So this part isn't really much of a how-to because we already made the Sunnah prayer tracker for you guys. It's in the link in the description, so make sure to check that out. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to want to print that out to the size that kind of fits a frame, and you can resize it by making it into an image and resizing it that way, or just in the printer settings. The frame will allow you to draw on it with a dry erase marker and then erase it at the end of the day so you won't have to use multiple pieces of paper. As always, if you decide to try this activity out, post it on Instagram and tag us at Pristine Message. We'd love to see it. Jazakallah khair for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.